Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the Dollar General. This is their Thanksgiving one-day sale only. And we're going to talk about some hot little deals in this flyer. It is a one-pager, so this is a very quick video. But if you have an itch to get out to the store on Thanksgiving Day and look around, Dollar General is doing stuff to get you into the door. They're at least providing a little something for Thanksgiving. So if you look at the front page, it says one day only, Thursday, 11/24, which is Thanksgiving Day. Open 7 to 10 p.m. So you might want to check if your store's open certain time because I know that here, rural stores, they usually close around 5 o'clock on holidays. So maybe double, triple check or call your store or drive by or something like that. And so on the top page, there's BOGO 75% off for toys. Now that says Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That is the one exclusion that they're going to extend the specific toys. Also, looking at below that, you have 20% off if you buy a $25 Xbox, Game Pass, or Ultimate Card gift cards. So they do entice you with, like, we'll give you a little extra something off gift cards if you buy it specifically at the Dollar General. Nice stocking stuffer too. And for the gamer in your life, there's assorted gaming items between $5 to $25, and they're giving you 25% off if you need to grab a couple of those for Christmas. Next page, we have 50% off artificial tree lights, toppers, tree skirts, ornaments. Believe it or not, the star that we usually put on top of our tree, we've lost it. I've looked through 15 different boxes. I don't know if I threw it out last year or what the story is. I don't remember. So I might have to go get one of those, and 50% off, that is my language. The next page, this is where it excites me. You guys know I have a problem with any sort of small kitchen appliance. $5 for these Toastmaster, between $12 to $15. That mini crock pot looks interesting. A little chopper, little food processor, a can opener, a mixer, a toaster. They have everything. And then if you love to gift little character blankets, pillows, that sort of stuff, it will be 50% off, which is a really good price point. And now we have 15% off of a Lowe's gift card. So I believe the minimum you have to buy in to get this percentage off is at least $25. At my store, they have these gift cards right at the front. They have a whole display of nothing but gift cards. So definitely look high and low for that, especially if you're doing some home renovations or buying little, maybe outdoor inflatables or whatever. You need this, buy one. Also, we have this, which really interests me. It's a $13. It's a mini, I believe it's a cupcake maker. It's called Baby Cake, so it makes smaller cupcakes. Anytime you could put cake with a little machine, I think that's a little bit of magic. $5, guys. What little girl wouldn't love that for Christmas? And then we have a total freebie, which is this Febreze. It's just the plug. It's not an oil. But we're going to get a digital coupon on Thursday the 24th, loaded to your store card, one per store card, making that completely free. So, it's a little something. If you're getting a lot of these plugs, you'll have the thing to put the oils inside of. So, it's one freebie. At the bottom of the page, BOGO 50% off on the Planters nuts. I see cashews there, so I'm interested in that. $5.50 for the K-Cup Maxwell House and Folgers. And then $5.95 for the McCafe for a 12-ounce bag. These prices are actually really good for these products, guys. And then 3 for $10 for Canada Dry Dr. Pepper A&W. I think I was on the Walgreens app and I saw 3 for $17.95. So that right there, 3 for $10, is a gift and a part of this Black Magic Madness on Thursday the 24th. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.